Hello traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. Quick heads up before we start, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in. Just grab it using the link in the description below. Alright, let us get into this review. In this video, I am looking at Galileo FX. Now, one thing I want to be upfront about, the site describes this as software that plugs into your own broker's trading environment, but it doesn't seem to specify MT4 or MT5 directly anywhere that I could find. So I'm just not going to make an assumption there. Just something to keep in mind as we go through it. So let us start from the top of the page. Right up front, Galileo FX is showing a 4.7 out of 5 rating across according to what is displayed here. And then according to what we have displayed here as well, it is from 961 reviews, and they are claiming more than 16,000 users. There's also a link to view what they call a 1235% report. You can see that here, along with a broader library of over 600 results. Now we'll just probably come back to results in a minute, but it's worth noting upfront that this is a big part of how they are presenting the product. Performance numbers front and center. Scrolling down, there's a what's new section announcing a new record, a potential gain of over 1311% across a 7-month stretch. And now this is important. Right underneath that claim, the site itself states that this performance was tracked in the test or demo environment using broker data and does not represent results achieved with real funds. All right. So that's a meaningful distinction. This isn't a live account with real money on the line. It's a back test, and the site is upfront about that. Now let's look at the next section. It covers broker integrations. It mentions that over 100 secure connections, and the point they are making is that you use your own broker rather than depositing funds with Galileo FX directly. Below that, there's a library of more than 600 ready-made strategy configurations that you can apply and edit, including one example backtest showing a 600% profit potential gain on an S&P 500 style strategy. Okay, again, historical data, not a live result. Then we get into the risk controls, and the site describes built-in features like trailing stops, max drawdown limits, and hard stop loss filters, with up to 20 of these protective presets available at once, and the ability to test them in what they call a risk-free simulation environment first. This is one of the more useful sections from an educational standpoint. These are standard risk management concepts, and having them adjustable is worth knowing about if you are the type of trader who wants granular control rather than a black box system. Further down, there is a section on tracking results remotely from a mobile or desktop app, and then a batch of user testimonials, which I'll leave you to read through at your own pace rather than reading them out here. Okay, so now let's just get to the FAQ section, because there is some genuinely important discussions buried in there. Galileo FX states clearly that it does not provide investment advice, financial consultancy, brokerage services, or trading signals. It is positioned purely as automation software for strategies you configure yourself. It also confirms that funds stay in your own broker account rather than being sent to the company, and that staff are not licensed investment advisors. Okay, so there's also a mention of a 72% win rate and a 3.2 profit factor tied to a press feature. I'll just say those specific figures come from that referenced piece rather than a source I could independently verify here. All right, so take that one with appropriate caution. Now on the pricing, let's go look at the pricing real quick. On the pricing, the footer breaks it down clearly. There is a personal license at $910 one time, capped at $1,000 in monthly profit. A plus tier at $1,821, capped at $5,000 monthly, and a pro tier at $2,048 with no stated profit cap. Okay. On top of that, there are optional installation services running $284 to $397, and premium settings or VIP support packages that add close to another $2,000. Okay, what factoring the full cost in, not just the base license price before deciding if this fits your budget. Now let us look at the performance snapshot itself. Okay, let's head back to the home page so that we can see the performance snapshots. I'm just gonna leave this pricing page right away. All right, so the dashboard shows a cumulative gain of just over 1,311%, a monthly figure of 39.23%, starting balance and profit landing the account balance at roughly $70,600 with about $65,600 profit. Now, this lines up with the new record announcement we saw earlier on the site. Again, this is presented as historical backtested data, not a verified live money track record from an independent third party like MyFXBook. That doesn't mean that it's not useful information. It just means it should be read as a simulation of how a strategy performed under test conditions, and results with real capital, live spreads, and slippage could look different. Okay, so to wrap this one up, Galileo FX is presented as configurable automation software with a large library of user adjustable strategies and built-in risk controls. Your funds stay with your own broker throughout, and the company is explicit that it doesn't offer investment advice or guarantee any outcome. The performance figures shown are based on demo and backtested results rather than an independently verified live account, which is an important distinction if you are comparing this to other tools that publish live MyFXBook or FX Blue histories. So this may be worth testing further in a demo environment first if the strategy customization angle appeals to you. But given the layered pricing and the back-tested nature of the headline numbers, it is worth doing your own due diligence and testing before committing any capital. All right, so that is it for this one. Thank you for watching, and if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notifications so that you do not miss out on more valuable trading content like this. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.